guys, just came from work and hubby said he gonna get me a blender, so I gotta show you guys. He gonna get me a blender tonight, you know what I'm saying? So I'll show you guys the different kind of blender, nice ones. So let me show you I think it's 4 different blenders. They have the BLACK+DECKER. Did I say BLACK+DECKER?
That's what you said.
BLACK+DECKER. So it's 3-in-1. It's slice, it's shred, and it's chop. So if you're using it for the potato green, this is the side you're gonna use. This side right here for the potato green. So you need to slice it. So this is how it look. That's how it look. And this is the opening for the potato green right here and stuff. So you have the off, the low, the high, and the pause. Two speed, it says. So this one is $32. It's $32.88. So now this is the second blender. This is the Hamilton Beach. I love this blender. That's the same brand I have, and I've been having that blender since. Baby, remember when we bought me that blender, like we was in Maryland? That was like back in 2009, right? And we bought it from the thrift store. And I still have it like 10 years later. So I love the Hamilton Beach. It's very nice and stuff. So this one, this is how it look. I love the opening. Like it tell you it fit whole fruit up here. So the opening is very big and stuff. So it'll be nice for the potato greens to go in there and get it chopped. And even the thing look big to me and stuff. It's very big. So it chop, it shred, it slice. It put it right here too. So yeah, it's very nice. So I love this blender, and that's the one I'm gonna get. This one is $49, $50 I just say. And this is how it look, guys. This is the one I'm gonna get, I think. So I love this brand of blender. It's the best. So now this one, I don't really like this blender that much. It's too heavy. The bottom is too heavy. I know one of the sisters had this, I think, is it this one sister Alicia have? One of this. It's just too heavy for me to carry. It's a lot of weight. But it's expensive though, so that means it might be a better quality. But that's not what I'm really looking for. So yeah, this blender is nice, so it's $60. But that's not what I want, because I don't feel like it's, you know, they always have the saying like, stay with the devil, you know, then the angel you don't know. So I'm going to stay with my devil right here. And this, the 4th blender, this one is also $60. This is what, KITCHENAID? Yeah. So this is how it look. The opening is not that big for my potato grains, so I don't want this one. But it's a good quality too. I mean, it's expensive. This is what oil do right here. Right here. Yeah, right here. So these are the blender, guys. The 4 different blenders. I think I should show them down here too. So this is the one right here. And then here's the KITCHENAID down here. And this is the Hamilton Which one is this one? This is the one I want. Yeah, right. This one right here.
You said you're gonna buy.
And that's the BLACK+DECKER. So yes, guys, this is the 4 different blenders. So it's up to you. That's a juicer. That's the Ninja.
I said both of them come with it.
I think so.
You said you're gonna buy.
You want me to get a Ninja?
But does it got a chopper?
I don't think so. So yes, guys, this is the 4 different blenders and stuff. So this is my favorite one because this place is huge, and yeah. So guys, this is the 4 different blenders. So I just wanted to show you guys. So if you like any of these ones, it's up to you to get whichever one you want. But I'm going for the Hamilton Beach because I'm used to that kind, and I feel like it's a good blender. And the one I have at home is great, and I love it, and I've been having it for like 10 years. And my husband bought that blender for me from the thrift store, and I still have it, and that's what I always use. So I love the Hamilton Beach. So now I'm upgrading to the brand new one 10 years later. I'm excited. So yes, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. You want to say something? Alright, that's the one I want. I want this one. This one. So we gotta find it down here.